Quantitative trading with Python. Quantitative trading with Python involves using mathematical models, statistical techniques, and algorithmic strategies to analyze financial markets and execute trades. Python is widely used in this field due to its powerful libraries and flexibility. 1. Key concepts in quantitative trading. Market data analysis, using historical and real-time data to find trading opportunities. Backtesting, evaluating a strategy's performance using past data. Risk management, controlling exposure to losses using stop loss, portfolio allocation, etc. Algorithmic execution, automating trade orders based on predefined rules. Machine learning in trading, using AI techniques for predictive modeling. 2. Python libraries for quantitative trading. Here are some essential Python libraries. 3. Steps to build a quantitative trading strategy. Step 1. Data collection. Download historical stock/crypto/forex data from sources like Yahoo Finance, Alpha Vantage, Cuntly, Binance API CCXT for crypto. Step 2. Data preprocessing. Clean and process the data. Import pandas as PD. Step 3. Feature engineering indicators. Calculate indicators such as moving averages. Step 4. Strategy development. Example: simple moving average crossover. Step 5. Backtesting the strategy. Step 6. Risk management. Max drawdown. Measure potential loss from peak to trough. Sharpe ratio. Risk-adjusted returns. Position sizing. Adjusting trade sizes based on risk tolerance. Step 7. Automating trades. Use APIs like CCXT Crypto, IB and Sync Interactive Brokers, or Alpaca. 4. Advanced topics. Machine learning for trading. Predict price movements using ML models. Scikit-learn. Deep learning for trading. Use LSTMs for time series forecasting. TensorFlow. Reinforcement learning. Train AI agents to trade stable baselines. 3. High-frequency trading. HFT. Use ultra-fast execution number for optimization. 5. Resources to learn more. Books. Quantitative Trading by Ernest Chan. Advances in Financial Machine Learning by Marcos Lopez de Prado. Algorithmic Trading by Ernie Chan.
Thanks for watching.